Kit 24. I just got it today, literally just took it out of the FedEx thing, but I haven't opened the box. Now I think there's going to be a lot more in this kit than normal because it's their 24th kit, so it's their 2-year birthday. So let's see what Tonic sent me. Awesome. First thing out is a glitter marker. I've been wanting to try their glitter. Let me move this. There we go. Let me make sure it's in the screen. Okay. I know there's there's lighting issues, but I didn't want to wait. I wanted to open it today before I went to bed. So let's see. Tonic 2-year craft, blah, 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 blah. Mirror card. All right. Let's see. Oh, nice. So this is green stars, confetti, and red squares. Now I'm used to doing this in my, where's my little camera thing? Because I'm just using my phone. Cute, full size, love it. A lot of times we get smaller ones in the kit, but we got a full size. Get this out. What's this? This is vintage drops. All right, let's see. Hopefully I don't have this color. I have a lot of the vintage drops already, and I love them. So we got a full-size vintage drops. And a carrot stick hybrid ink. I probably have, because I think I have all their hybrid inks. Oh, look how fun this is. Look how stinking cute that is. It's a keychain, or what I may do is hook it up to my lanyard for work. Nouveau bottle. Isn't that the cutest? Oh, I love that. So cute. Then we got a little mini. Let's see. I just hope this is all in frame because I can't see it. Which one is this? I also don't have my glasses on, so let's see. This is a mini glitter drops, and I can't tell what color. Can't read it. But that's okay. Super cute. I love all their little mini ones. Balloon, oh, the balloon trio shaker. I bet that the die is in there. I saw this on Hedgehog Hollow. Love, 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 and I hope that I'll be able to buy more refills, shaker cards with these balloons. Oh, let me see, let me see, let me see. Oh, I was wondering where this was. So is it every 4? Every 3 or I think it's every 4 Tonic kits you get, they send you a binder that you can put them in, you know, because they're all numbered. See, like this will come like this, 24. So I will get the other ones that I have. How fun is that? And then you can keep them all in a binder, and I love that idea. I'm so excited. Cool. Here is pattern paper. It's called Rainbow Fever. Looks great. Looks double-sided. Let's take a look. Well, we'll take a look later. Let's see what's in here. Actually, let me just take this out and get rid of this box. And stand up again to make sure it's in frame. So, you always get a stamp set and matching dies and stuff. Oh, I totally forgot. We were going to get a $15 voucher with this kit. I'm not going to show you the code, though. You probably just now saw it flap over because I don't want you to use my code. Love it. Shaker numbers. Are they? Did they make shaker numbers? Or is this something that's going to be coming? So look at these dies. And you always get a ton of dies. There's the 3 balloons. You can, oh shoot, I was gonna say you can be looking for a card video this weekend, but no, you can't. I'm making a quick jaunt to Denver to see family this weekend, so I'm not gonna be able to play. But look at all the dies, and these look like they interlay, so you could layer these very easily. Oh, love them, love them, love them. Oh, look, and here's the string, stamp string for the 3 balloons. So fun. Let me stick that back in there. Let me see what they're telling me about shaker numbers. What's your email notification? Fill your shaker blister with liquids. So where does one get this? I don't think that I saw these shaker numbers on their website, and I'm at their website a lot. Maybe I missed it. Available in Create and Craft. Huh, I'll have to look into that. How fun is that? You can birthday, whatever the number is. That's cool. All right, I'll be all over that. Then, of course, we got our paper pack that was too challenging to open. And as always, we get great samples of their paper, and Tonic Studios has fabulous quality paper. So we get this nice blue. It's textured. Ooh, look at that, it's a mirror. That would make some fabulous Christmas cards. We have the yellow textured and an orange and a red shimmer, a red glitter paper. Nice. So cool. Well, not going to be able to play this weekend, but I will try to shortly thereafter. But I was excited. I don't even know how much these kits are. I want to say, are they $39 or $49? I don't know, but I think they're totally worth it. Check it out. I get these full-size products. I get all this stuff. I get the stamps, the dies. Actually, I'm going to pull all this out so I can take a picture of it. All right. I'm going to shut up now. I just want to make a quick video to show you my latest Nouveau Tonic craft kit, number 24. You might want to hop out there and grab some before they're sold out, because I know they sometimes will have a few extras. So thanks for stopping by. Make sure and hit the subscribe button below, and have a super blessed day. Talk to you later. Bye.